If you're experiencing pending transfers on YouTube, this guide will help you resolve the issue quickly and easily. Follow these steps to ensure your transfers are processed smoothly. Step 1. Check your payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review transfer status. Log into your YouTube account and check the status of your pending transfers. Look for any notifications or alerts that might indicate why the transfer is pending. Step 3. Confirm eligibility. Ensure that your account meets all eligibility requirements for transfers. This includes having a verified account and meeting the minimum payout threshold set by YouTube. Step 4. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to YouTube support for assistance. Provide them with details about your pending transfers and any error messages you may have received. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After contacting support, be patient as they investigate the issue. It may take some time for them to resolve the problem, so keep an eye on your email for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfer issues on YouTube. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from YouTube's help resources.